Hey guys, it's Sancho here today, and today I'm gonna see if I can get the lawnmower to run. The battery's fully charged. I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't know if you can see it very well, but the sketch cables might keep it from running. I'm gonna have to get to that, but we're gonna see what happens. It's a beautiful summer day here in northwestern Illinois, the shittiest state in the U.S. Yeah, I gotta mow my lawn even though it looks kind of goofy, because I had a fire the other night. My pool's looking good, and yeah, we're gonna start the truck to move it out of the way to get the lawnmower out. How's that sound? I got some new sunglasses, by the way. That's my brother playing his guitar. He's not very good. What's up, Mama? Hey, I'm kind of good, okay? Yeah. He's not. He's trash. And yeah, start the truck up. It's getting taken to the shop on Tuesday because the check engine light is on, and I explained to you before how sketchy it is. Yeah. Start it up. Yeah, I like that. I don't know if you can see it, but it kind of left a little rubber mark. Alright. Now we gotta get this out of there somehow. Prop the phone up against the battery. I don't know if you can see, but first we're gonna move this thing. I don't even know what the fuck this thing is. Sketchy ass seat. Oh shit. Kind of dragging my bag a little bit. Y'all, check out these rainbow pants, bruh. They're lit. Maybe take a choke off. Yeah. Should it start? There's a mixture of mixed gas, seafoam, motor treatment. Seafoam motor treatment is one thing. There's regular gas, mixed gas, and seafoam. I don't know if y'all could see it, but the tank's kind of bluish looking. And should it start, the exhaust might be a little smoky. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna spray some start fluid up in the carburetor. Take the air filter cover off. There's a little bit of it. I think I'm gonna have to take the cover off too, like the cowling or whatever the fuck it's called. Take the dipstick off. Put that somewhere safe. Like right here. And yeah. I'm gonna prop the phone up against the lawnmower battery again. Here, it'll scoot it up a little bit so y'all can see better. Now I'm gonna get a 3/8 wrench. First one I grabbed is a 3/8 wrench. How lucky is that? And yeah, we gotta take the bolts off. It's non-ratcheting, so it's gonna take a while. I got my my little slinky sausage guy here. I'll show you that in a minute or so. Might be a while. Smell the gas. Yeah, maybe I'll show you what I'm doing over here. Shit. Yeah, where is it? This bolt right here. This fuel filter's never been replaced, so I'll look into that maybe sometime in the future. Is this gonna come out yet? Nope. Nope. Yeah, I think maybe the parking brake's in the way. There's one. Now here's the other one. Shit. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's right here. Kinda gotta go backwards a little bit. Oops. I use a ratchet in the socket, but I can't fit it in there. And there's the second bolt. Now I can grab my socket set here. It's not exactly snap-on, but it'll do. Alright. Hell no, it's not the right size. Hell no. There we go. Y'all, check this out. Get the two bolts in here, can't really see it very well. Maybe I should put in a loosen mode, huh? What do you think? Ta-da! Nope, not quite. There we go. How long is this? 14 minutes? Sorry, I'm gonna have to end it off here quick. There'll be a part 2 uploaded right after this one. Like today. So I had a schlanky. Alright, take the cover off. There it is. And there you have it, folks. Hold up. Briggs and Stratton. Yeah. I think I'm going to end this video off right there. Part 2 will be uploaded right after this one. And yeah, I'll see ya in that video. Goodbye.